everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the touchscreen functions of the HTVRONT D2 DTF printer. We'll go over connection status, print head status, and the main control buttons, so you know exactly when and how to operate the machine safely. Let's begin.
When the screen shows online, it means the printer is successfully connected to your computer. When the screen shows offline, it means the printer is not connected to your computer. If the machine fails to connect, power it off first. Plug in the USB cable, and then turn the printer back on. Open Idea Studio and complete device connection. Always connect the cable before powering on the machine. When the status shows free, the printer is ready to receive commands. Please remember to always perform manual adjustments in free status. When the status shows print, the print head is actively printing. It will move at high speed across the print platform. Please stay clear of the print head to avoid collision or injury. Wait until the screen shows free again before sending new commands. When the status shows clean, the print head is performing an automatic clean cycle. During this process, both the print head and the ink station will move. Please wait until cleaning is complete and the status returns to free before operating the machine.
Before we get into the details, there's one thing you should keep in mind. Always operate the following functions when the status shows free, unless otherwise specified.
Press and hold left. The print head will move to the left. Press and hold right. The print head will move to the right. Press X reset. The print head will return to the home position. Press feed. The DTF film will move forward toward the printing platform. Press back. The DTF film will move backward toward the printing platform. Avoid rewinding the film past the pinch rollers. Press stop. The current print job will be stopped, and the print head will return to its original position. Press pause. The current print job will be paused immediately. Press again to resume printing. Press clean. It will start automatic print head cleaning. The print head and ink station will move during the process. Press check. It will print a nozzle test pattern. After printing, inspect the test lines to check nozzle condition. Minor breaks in the lines will not affect printing quality.
And that's a complete walkthrough of the touchscreen functions on the HTVRONT D2 DTF printer. Always pay attention to the print head status before operating the machine. When in doubt, wait until the screen shows free. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next HTVRONT D2 DTF printer tutorial video.